This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the screws for the glove box under panel. Then pry it downward and away from the glove box. Disconnect the electrical connector from the under panel, then pry the wiring harness retaining clip from the under panel and remove the panel. With a trim tool, pry the end cover off of the instrument panel. Remove the glove box mounting screws. Pull the glove box out enough to access the electrical connector, then disconnect the connector and harness retainer. Remove the glove box. Release the cabin filter door clips, then lower the door. Pull the filter out of the housing, noting the direction of the arrows indicating airflow. Slide the new filter into the housing, making sure the arrows on the filter are pointing downward. Close the filter door and secure all the locking clips. Position the glove box for installation and connect the glove box electrical connector and its harness retainer. Install the glove box and mounting screws. Tighten the mounting screws securely. Install the glove box under panel, first connecting the electrical connector and harness clip to the panel. Push the under panel upward, locking the retaining clips into the glove box. Install the under panel screws and tighten them securely. Install the instrument panel end cover.